guys, welcome to Garage Times, my new YouTube channel. My name's David. What I have for you today is a 2003 Toyota Matrix that my buddy brought to me because he said it was making a bad clunking noise when he would brake, forward or reverse. So there are a lot of videos out there for these cars for clunking noises. Most of them revolve around sway bars, sway bar end links, lower control arm ball joints, control arm bushings, shocks, engine mounts, transmission mounts. There were a lot of things that were replaced on this car, suspension wise. The engine mounts were checked, transmission mount was checked, and there was no issues with any of those. Yet the clunking sound still remained. I finally found out what was causing the clunking noise, so come and follow me. The clunking noise was coming from this door, and the door hinges. So if you come out to the end of the door and you move it up and down, you'll see that there's a lot of play there. That play is there because the bushings are gone, top and bottom, in the hinge. So when you would brake, you go over some bumps, the door would shift. As the body flexed, it would cause a clunking, popping noise, and that's what's wrong with this car. So if you have a Toyota Matrix, a Toyota Corolla, Pontiac Vibe, take a look at your door if you're experiencing popping noises. There were really no symptoms of the door being bad. It would open and close properly without any noise. So check it out. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe and comment below. Thank you. Have a great day.